Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the important topic of interview, accounting entries. So we all know that there are so many entries during the transaction event keys will create, like MyGo, Myro, goods receipt MyGo, invoice receipt Myro. So here we are going to discuss about the transaction event keys, which are all very important for entry point of view. So in interview, how they will ask question in the sense, what are the transaction event keys for MyGo? What are the transaction event keys for Myro? Like that they will ask. First, let me talk about goods receipt, MyGo. So whenever we are doing goods receipt, one movement type will trigger. The transaction event keys are BSX debit, WRX credit. So BXX is inventory posting, WRX is GRIR clearing account. For invoice receipt Myro, the transaction event keys are WRX debit, KBS credit. So WRX GRIR clearing account, KBS vendor account group or vendor account. Then initial stock entry 561 MB1C. The transaction event keys are BSX debit, GBB credit. And goods issue against goods issue 261 movement type. The 201 is for cost center, 261 for production. The transaction event keys are BSX credit, GBB debit. Then goods issue 601, BSX credit, GBB debit. And goods received against the production order, BSX debit, GBB credit. And last but not least, it is one of the very important question. Out of 10 interview, you may get the 6-7 interview questions of subcontracting PO. The transaction event keys are BSX debit, WRX credit, BSV credit, FRL debit, and BSX credit, GBB debit. So these are all the important keys. So in that BSX WRX for 101 movement type and BSV FRL for subcontracting, which are we provided to the vendor. So the FRL is called a subcontracting charge and BSV is change in subcontracting stocks. And BSX GBB is the 543. So consumption is nothing but whenever we are giving the child material to the vendor, that child material is consumed and then they will send the parent material. So 543 is the consumption stock. So these are all very important and mandatory interview questions, SAP MM entry point of view. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.